Shichi-Go-San is a traditional Japanese festival that celebrates the growth and well-being of young children. Literally meaning 753, Shichi-Go-San is held on November 15th for 3 and 7-year-old girls and 3 and 5-year-old boys. One tasty tradition of Shichi-Go-San is Chitose Ame, a hard stick candy that Japanese children of all ages love.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Consulate Test Kitchen. Today we're diving into the delightful world of Shichi-Go-San, a Japanese celebration for children. And what a better way to celebrate than with some homemade Chitose Ame, a Shichi-Go-San tradition.
What I heard is Cheetos love almonds?
No, it's Chitose Ame. It's a kind of a Japanese milk candy.
Ame is candy.
Yes.
And Chitose is?
1,000 years old.
Okay, so it's kind of like a long life, wishing a long life thing.
Yes.
That makes sense. You're giving it to the kids.
Okay, here's what you will need. Mizuame, which is basically corn syrup. You should be able to get mizuame at Asian grocery store, but if you can't find it, regular corn syrup will do. Next, sweetened condensed milk. Then, powdered or dry milk, powdered sugar. Finally, for color, you can use food coloring, but today we're going natural and using freeze-dried strawberries. Hopefully these strawberries will give the candy a touch of strawberry flavor as well. Now, let's put our candy making skill to the test. First, we need to heat up the corn syrup.
In this little corn syrup hot tub right here.
Yes.
See if you have a future career in a pretzel shop.
CG Yori,
Yes.
would you like to try some Chitose Ame we just made for Shichi-Go-San?
Did you make this today?
Yes, we did, so it's very fresh.
Oh, oishii. It's very delicious. Do you like taste strawberry?
Yes.
Can I expect candy every day?
Maybe not.
Okay.